How to create post in the Reddit app. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to create a post on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create a post, simply tap on to create. Just right here, select it. Then simply add the title of your post just like this. You can also add a link or photo or video just right here. Now you can see you have simply created a post on it. Now to post it, simply tap on to post right here. And that's it. This is how you can create posts in the Reddit application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.